Hello friends, this is Akshay and welcomes you all on this channel of Career Edge. So this is a platform of Google. You can see here Grow with Google. This is the whole Google career certificates. Total 5 Google career certificates are there in different categories of data analytics, IT support, project management and different. So I am going to show you my video on Google career certificate and you all appreciate that. Thankful to you all. And now I am going to show you, there are some comments which is friends, you are asking that in this video I showed that I am going to apply for data analytics certification, and you can see here I am applying for Coursera financial and services. So that application is approved or not after 15 days, you all wants to know. So in this video I am going to show you that my application approved or not and what is the process of that. So you can see here your financial aid application is approved for Google data analytics certification. You can see here, so you can see this is the first course which I'm going to start. That name is here Foundation Data and Data Everywhere. So I'm going to show you the whole thing about this course, and also I'm going to short review this Google data analytics certification at the last. So this is a course from Coursera professional certification which is recently launched by Google, and this generate many traffics and many wants to know about this certification because this is a very special. After completing this type of certification which is launched by Google, you directly enable eligible for any Google jobs without completing your undergraduate degree or postgraduate degree. Without any degree you are eligible. So you can see here whole about this certification. Firstly you need to enroll, after that you need to complete this, and after that you can apply for this type of companies which you can see on the screen. The whole companies Accenture, Coursera, Deloitte, Infosys and many big firms is now recognizing Google career certificates for their hiring process. So this is a very good news, and if you complete, only you need to invest only 6 months. In a week you need to invest your 10 hours, and when you complete this you are eligible for getting jobs in Google and many other companies for Google data analytics. So you can see here I enrolled for that. I just show you that Gmail which I got from Coursera, that my application is approved, and you can see here that I got enrolled. Here you can see this is a beginner friendly course and total 6 months needed to complete this. Here you're going to learn many things about data analytics, data mining and many more things, and at the last you also get to know about R programming which is very essential for data analytics. So here you can see applied linear learning project and many other things. Here you can see on Coursera course. This is a professional certification, and also what is professional certificate, and if you want to know more about Google data analytics certification, there is a link in the description. You go through my previous video, and also you can see here total 8 courses are there in this Google professional certification all about data analytics. So here you can see process data, analyze data, share data and data analytics with R programming. And the last 2 courses are very important because in there you got to know about some programming concepts. In beginner courses there is nothing about programming. I am going to show you the first course of Foundations Data and Data Everywhere, which is from Google. You can see here, and also there is written Google career certificate. This is a very special thing which is offered only on Coursera. So you need, if you want to complete this, you just go through the financial aid services and get this for free. In only 14 days, more than 55,000 are already enrolled for this certification of data analytics. So this is a very heavy traffic on this. So you can see here this is the week 1 of this Google data analytics certification, and I just started this, and after that I made this video so that you all get to know about that you can get this certification for free. I know many of you just paid for these certifications but not need to invest your money in this type of things. You just apply for financial and services and start learning. After that, after 15 days, it is the 99.9% chances that your application get approved by Coursera. So this is the week 1 contents you can see here, and now I am going to show you that video also. I am going to resume that video here. This is the first video of introduction, and also there are some learning objectives are there. Firstly, you can read that so that you got to know about what you are going to learn in this contents, means what is the result of this contents. So this is in the starting there is a basically there are introduction of these courses. So you can see here, this is the first video which you got here. You got this type of videos on YouTube also, because there is a channel of Google Career Certificates on YouTube also. You find all that video on YouTube also for free. But if you want certification, you need to go through Coursera, you need to complete some quizzes, some assignments, and after that you got a certification of Google Career Certificate, and after that you are going to eligible for any job. So here you can see this is the first video, and the data analytics certification is very good. I just interested in data analytics, so that I firstly applied for data analytics certification. But you can apply for any of the certification, and also all the certification you can apply. I applied for all the certification, and after that my 2 applications are already approved, and I think my all the application get approved. If you like my contents, please subscribe my channel and also like this video.